Hello, welcome back. I'm out in the shop doing another fast and dirty job. Actually, it's the rest of the job that the customer or friend of mine forgot to tell me about. He needs bushings to go behind the wheel because it's a smaller wheel, it's not as wide. He needs to be able to push it out about 1 inch to 1 1/8 inches. I found this aluminum stock. It's a 1 1/4 diameter. It's about 1 3/16. This one is 1 1/4 long. What I have to do is face it off to size, drill it through with that 3/4 inch drill, and then I was going to take about a 10/1000 bore cut. And I thought I'd do it here on my 1953 Logan. Anyway, let's get into that. I have a collet that's 1 1/4 inches that can go in here, and I think it'd be a little bit faster. Let's do that. I think I'm going to face these off, both of them, to the same size. Then I'll center drill them and then drill it out to 3/4 and then put them back in there and bore. Let's do that. What I'm going to do to get both of these the same length is I'm going to measure from here to the collet. And when I put the other one in there, I will simply move it until I have the same dimension here and here. One 130 thousandths. Okay, let's see how that went. 130. Looks good. It wasn't too bad. Like I said, I'm gonna move all this. I'm gonna drill the next one, and then I'll put it back in there and bore it. Number 2. All right, I just got to find me a boring bar. Found the boring bar. We'll put a little oil in there and just take a clean up cut. Okay. Okay. One more. All right. Now that was a quick and dirty job. As far as this video goes, I think it's a wrap. So, until next time, enjoy.